This is the Fargo, 1-story, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and 1,700 square feet that gets used well, and you're seeing it completely empty, so you can judge the real space. The layout runs family first. The home opens up at the back into one connected kitchen, dining, and living space, with the island right in the middle of the action. The main bedroom sits behind the living room, away from the other 3, with its own bath and a walk-in closet. 4 real bedrooms at this size is the whole point of this plan. I'm Bryan Farmer with DR Horton in the Fort Worth North area, where I can show you a Fargo changes week to week, so text me at 214-449-9978 and I'll give you today's answer. And if the Fargo isn't quite it, I usually know a plan that is.